In this video, I will guide you why your Ctrl Alt plus 4 not working for INR symbol. For example, when you press Ctrl plus Alt and 4 and you can see that nothing has happened on the screen. So how you can fix it? So for this you need to go to the search icon on the bottom of the screen and type keyboard setting. And here you will see that ease of access keyboard setting. On the right side you will see that language and keyboard setting. Click on that. Here is the keyboard. You need to click on that and click on this, and here you will see that there is no English India added. So how you can add it? Go back. You need to add a preferred language over here. So you need to click add a language. And here, choose a language to install, you need to type English. So make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. And here is the English India. You need to click on this and click next and click install. And now head to the keyboard again and click on this. And now here you can see that English India has been added. Click on that and close it, and now type Ctrl Alt plus 4, and here you can see that INR symbol is inserted. So with this method you can easily type INR symbol when your Ctrl Alt plus 4 is not working. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.